I want to gather some of these black walnuts up that are all over my yard. Let's hook them up so we can eat them. Gather them all up. Get yourself a flat piece of stone or concrete and just step on them. Crush them up. Crush the husk off of them. It's the easiest way to do it. Make sure you wear gloves. It's going to get messy. Boy, do they smell good. Pick out the nuts. Once you get the husks off, get them up. Very good. Oh yeah, lots of walnuts. Gather them up in a bucket. Got a nice pile of them. Give them a rinse. Lay them out in the sun and air to dry for a couple of weeks. Hope the squirrels don't get them all. Once they're all dried out, they don't look half bad. They're tough to crack. I use a vise. Takes some effort to get them out of their shell, but once you do, I think they're worth it.